Hello
Hello.
Hello?
and hello.
Everyone says hello.
Sometimes no more,
I'm
not
normal.
too formal. I'm changing it.
Yeah, and we're all tired.
I'm so
Second year, third
tired.
year, short time. So without further ado, let's.
Review.
You already know what it is, but I'll
Let's
tell you
review.
review. What are we reviewing?
Fridge and fridge.
So let's go. Da-da-da-da-da-da.
Is it?
Um.
That's
This
a
is
very
very
modern
scary.
classic. Nice.
And it has that water thing.
Very modern.
Oh, that's.
nice.
I think that's an American fridge, isn't it?
American fridge. Is our neighbours
American.
have those.
No, like the two-door ones, isn't it? The ones that open wide.
No, but our neighbours have that as well.
And yeah, and I think they got it from America.
They did.
I don't know.
So it's not made here. They always had the wood.
Oh, is it? That's nice.
Yeah, it
But
does.
actually, they're
that.
not.
But this is too scary.
The young normal has it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I'll be scared to close it because what if someone's standing behind the,
What?
isn't it?
What about our one?
I want it normal.
Sometimes normal.
Not too formal. Oh, next. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Next one. This is the third field
teen
one.
one.
You'll go good in our garden, isn't it?
Yeah.
No garden.
Let them see it.
Yeah. Look at that.
It goes well with our dining room.
Oh, it does.
It does, it does.
That's a bit brighter
That's the way.
than
Hold on. Where is that? Why is it in like a little corner? How you just open it?
If you need, look at the next one.
There you go. See it?
Da-da-da-da-da-da. I only have one question for this one.
Let me see
Why is it shooting the field?
What the no?
Why?
Eggs. They have eggs. There are 2 eggs. Is that full fat milk? Is that full fat milk? They have an empty bottle in there though.
Nice. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Don't look at the top left. I'm gonna just do this. That's it. There you go. Why enough is this there? I'll do the eggs. I'll do the eggs.
Eggs and that's over there as well.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, more eggs. Eggs are nice.
What
Wait.
is that?
I don't know what that is.
What is the
I know that is.
thing?
But anyway. Oh no. Alright, that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah.
But anyway, these are our fridges. Oh, sorry.
I have this video.
Bye.
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 And bye.
Bye.